When it comes to home improvement, few upgrades make a bigger impact than new windows. They boost energy efficiency, enhance curb appeal, and add long-term value to your property. But in a place like Miami Gardens, where the climate, weather patterns, and building codes are unique, not all window installations are created equal. Choosing professionals with local expertise can make the difference between windows that perform flawlessly for decades and those that fail when you need them most. Why local expertise matters. Miami Gardens homeowners face distinct environmental challenges. The region's tropical climate, high humidity, and occasional hurricane threats all demand careful consideration during any window installation project. Professionals who live and work in the area understand these challenges firsthand and know which materials, techniques, and products will stand up to local conditions. Local expertise means your installers don't just put in windows, they tailor the installation to your specific home and the surrounding environment. Understanding Miami Gardens' climate. South Florida's heat and humidity can be relentless. Poorly installed windows can allow warm, moist air to seep in, leading to foggy glass, mold growth, and reduced energy efficiency. Local window professionals understand how to properly seal and insulate against moisture intrusion while ensuring your home remains cool and comfortable. They also know which window materials perform best in this environment, such as vinyl or aluminum frames that resist warping and corrosion. Moreover, local experts are familiar with energy-efficient window options designed for the Florida climate, like those featuring low-E coatings, UV protection, and insulated glass. These features help keep your home comfortable year-round and lower your cooling costs. Meeting local building codes and regulations. Miami Gardens is part of Miami-Dade County, which enforces some of the strictest building codes in the nation, especially when it comes to windows and doors. These regulations exist for good reason: to protect homes from high winds, flying debris, and water intrusion during hurricanes and tropical storms. Local window contractors are well versed in these codes and can ensure your installation meets or exceeds all safety and performance requirements. They know when to recommend impact-resistant windows and how to properly anchor them into your home's structure for maximum strength and security. By working with a local professional, you avoid costly code violations, failed inspections, and potential risks to your family's safety. Tailored recommendations for Miami Gardens homes. Every home in Miami Gardens is unique, from classic single-story bungalows to modern coastal-style builds. Local installers have experience working with these different architectural styles and can recommend window types that complement your home's design while meeting practical needs. For example, casement windows are great for ventilation in humid climates. Picture windows capture beautiful natural light while maintaining insulation. Sliding windows provide ease of use and a modern aesthetic. Local experts can help you find the right mix of style, performance, and durability to match both your home's architecture and your lifestyle. Faster service and ongoing support. Working with a local window installation company also means faster response times and personalized service. If you ever have an issue, whether it's a seal failure, condensation, or hardware concern, your installer is nearby and ready to help. Many national chains or out-of-town contractors finish the job and move on, leaving you with limited follow-up options. Local professionals, on the other hand, take pride in their reputation within the community. Their goal is to ensure your satisfaction long after the installation is complete. Supporting the local economy. Hiring local window experts doesn't just benefit your home, it benefits your community. Local businesses reinvest in the area by creating jobs, supporting suppliers, and building long-term relationships with customers. When you choose a Miami Gardens-based company, you're helping strengthen the local economy while receiving top-quality service. Invest in quality and local knowledge. Your windows are one of the most important elements of your home's protection and comfort. In Miami Gardens, where weather and climate can be unpredictable, local expertise is essential for a window installation that lasts. By choosing experienced, locally based professionals, you gain peace of mind knowing your windows are installed correctly, comply with all local codes, and are built to handle Florida's environment. It's an investment that safeguards your home, enhances efficiency, and ensures lasting value for years to come.